This is 4th Street. Look at this keychain. Cowboy tater potato.
That's so cute.
Oh my god. Look at fun cards. There was another. Oh, you're one tough cookie. I like the graphic. Thanks, Apollo. Jelly cat skateboard. Let's see, this is 45. Look at that. It's cute. Oh, this is Jelly Cat too. It's 40. This paper has little pom-poms. That's so cute. So I'm running across the street. I have to go to a little girl's room. But I just came from Paper Source. Honestly did want to go to a stationery store where they sold like traveler's notebooks and like fountain pens and stuff like that. But there is one that kind of has it. But I don't know if you've seen it. I have seen on Pinterest, people draw on the backs of the envelopes. And I think that's so cool. So I'm gonna try that. And I'm excited because I've been wanting to get back into creating, artwork with my hands as opposed to through this lens. So yeah, let's go there. I have a binder like this. And this is Paper Republic. I've never heard of this company, but I'm so happy I found it. We are in the garage of Berkeley Bowl, headed to the grocery store. I had so much fun going to Paper Source and looking for the different colored paper because I've noticed people have been painting the backs of the envelopes. And then we also went to Top Drawer and they had some awesome journal and paper was sustainable, and the leather that they chose to use for their journal covers are ethically sourced, meaning that they don't kill animals just to get the leather. The animals were already dead, and then they took the hide and created journals out of that. So I was happy to hear that. But look at all of the pretty flowers. Okay, let's do a little shopping. So Onigiri here. I love their bulk section. They don't have the fig bars though. They have amazing Nutella. I'm in my purple era, and I just found these. So this is strawberry fruit spread, apricot and blueberry. I'm gonna go for the blueberry. And I always get it from the back because my mom said, get the stuff from the back. I'm late! I spent so much time in Berkeley. I'm running, in case you can't tell. And look! You see the red flag that says, wait for it, wait for it. There's the long line.
So you'd be at the end right here.
Right here. This lady right here.
These are as well? Yeah, right here. Thanks for helping me.
Yeah. What's your name again?
So they're segmenting everybody to, like, even if you got here at 3:28 like I did, I'm still can be ahead of the 4 o'clock people and not be behind the 4 o'clock people. Let's go!
That like still is. Huh? I know, not on release, but
I've been noticing that they putting these flowers up around the store. So they have this one at the Westin Hotel, and then across the street they have Dyson.
But I'll tell you what, the inside of the store is pretty amazing. They have a giant screen in it.
I think my behind was on camera.
Yeah, that's.
You get a half an hour to be in the store.
Yeah. All right.
So it's like a frenzy, right? So let's see what we can get. I'm trying to look for a bag, but in the meantime, I'm trying to get prices for stuff. This is $14.99. Here's this mug. I don't know. Let me see. How much are you? 24. Character magnet. Oh, here's the stickies. $14.99. Here's a sweater. Oh no, it's a hoodie. I don't know how much this is. Here's Donkey Kong. Look at the banana. $19.99. I checked in. I had to go downstairs because I saw this online on their Instagram account. Oh, Pokemon. Okay, and so every time you go into the store, you get a new sticker for your box, and there's 4 boxes total. Look at these ball caps. $24.99. On the Yoshi plushies. $14.99. $16.99. Oh, look at these! I think this. What are you? Let me see. Is this like a bag or something? I kind of wish it wasn't white. Oh, look at these keychains. $12.99. I wonder if any of these are exclusive. Cat. Propeller. Tanuki. Penguin. This one is like very popular. Look at these shirts. $19.99. I like this bear. Or raccoon. It's a raccoon. Oh, there's his tail. Oh, these are cute. It's a notepad and a pencil. It's a keychain. It's a blind box. So it's $4.99. Oh, and this is like a wallet. This is $19.99. And here's a little pouch. This is $14.99. Oh, here's Princess Peach. And this is, oh, he's the mushroom. But his name is Car Toad or Cat Toad. This is a newer one that wasn't over there. Cat Luigi. Oh, this is Luigi. Wow, that guy got a lot. Oh, look at how cute. Oh my goodness. $44.99. And here's a shirt. Oh my gosh. How much are you? $29.99. Oh, this is cuter pajamas. $34.99. And the drawstring tote. $32.99. Wait, are you? You're. Why do you look? This says Luigi. You look like. Wait, are you the? You're Mario, aren't you? Oh yeah, Mario. I have no idea that they look alike. Wait a second. Oh my gosh, I love bananas. I'm so distracted. I don't see anything I'm in love with. Okay, here's Princess Peach stuff. But how much is this? $19.99. Oh, here's a crossbody bag. That's $49.99. Oh, and here's some sweat. $39.99. Oh, what are you? Oh, hair ties. $14.99. This is fun. I'm wearing my Super Nintendo red shirt from Universal Studios Hollywood. This is at $44.99. Oh, look at this wallet. $19.99. $29.99. There's Animal Crossing. Oh my gosh, this is so, I love the colors. How much are you? $19.99. And the frog, $19.99. Oh, look at the mini ones. Oh my gosh. It's like Mickey Mouse. Oh no, and Luigi's face is thinner. Okay. These are $11.99. $11.99. Oh, cute. Let's see. Oh, the backpack? I've seen something like this in Universal Studios Hollywood. That's $79.99. Cute. Oh, look at a cafe. Is this a city hall or a church or something? You guys are probably gonna scream at the comments saying, that's so whatever. Oh, here's like a sewing machine. And they make clothes or something? They sell food? Oh, this is so cute. Oh, and here's some, oh, these are cute. I wonder if there's any of those keychains in the plushies. Oh my gosh, I love the colorway. Is that a kid's? That's so cute. I love the drawstring. $39.99. Can I wear them? Oh yeah. Look at these slippers. $19.99. Oh, and this is a sweater outfit. Okay. I don't know where I'd wear this. If it was Luigi or Princess Peach. Yeah, okay, that's hard. I'm gonna leave that there. Look at this colorway. $16.99 for this. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I cannot. Look at this, so freaking cute. Okay, so let me see. This is $15.99. What are you? A plastic. $9.99. Look at all these pens. These are reusable bags. $15.99. Oh, and stickers. Oh. Look at it. It's so cute. I've never played Animal Crossing, so I don't know anything about the game, but I love the colorway. That screen is massive. Whoa. Splatter. Fun outfit. Whoa. Okay, so this is all downstairs. This is Pokemon. I'm looking for keychains because I don't see any. I just see plushies. Oh, here's some keychains. Pikmin. Okay, sorry for the jerkiness of the video. I'm moving with the camera. Oh, Pikmin. These plushies are $14.99. Oops, sorry. Oh my God. It's been so long since I've played Bulbasaur. Pikachu. Oh my goodness. I don't remember. Charizard. Charmander. There's a Kirby keychain.
got the.
I'm just people watching at this point while being in line. This is my haul from the Nintendo store grand opening. This is Tanuki Mario clip-on plush. And I'm guessing they're saying this is a clip-on, but this is actually what I think of when I see a clip-on. You see it has his little clip so you can put on a bag or on your shoulder. I thought this had a safety pin in the back, but it doesn't. Here is Cat Luigi. Here's his clip. Look at his spots, they're so fun. And he is so soft and squishy. And look at the paws, his little ears. Last but not least, here is Princess Peach, Cat Peach. And I love her earrings. She doesn't have spots. She does have his tail though. Her crown, of course. Next, I got 2 blind boxes, 2 volumes. Volume 1, and my mom got that one. I got one for my mom and my brother, but I only have the picture of the one for my mom, and I'll put a picture up for that. And then this is volume 2. I want this one. This is the one I hope I get. Let's unbox it. Oh, there we go. Oh, I got Hammer Mario. It says Tanuki Mario, Cape Mario, Hammer Bro, Rock Mario, Ice Mario, and Propeller Mario. That's the other plushie that they had. These were $4.99. The plushie keychains were $12.99. I wonder if they did have a plushie keychain of this, but it just sold out. Here's the back, Nintendo. This is plastic. Their clips are all plastic, the keychain part. I think this is even, oh, this doesn't even feel like, it is metal, but it's like, I don't know, it's not very strong, but so just be aware where you're clipping it. Another thing, when you spent over $50, you got this collectible coin. Let's open it up. Oh, neat. And it comes in the, like, wherever you would store it. You don't just get the coin, you also get a thing to store it in. Nintendo San Francisco, May 15th, 2025. That looks so good, and it has a good weight to it. I love the enamel and then how it just Mario is colored. It's silver. That's the end of the merch. I went back to get Luigi because I was like, they have to be a trio. I got this second receipt, which is of Zelda, and I didn't realize this, but the receipts, he was saying, he's like, oh look, you got a Zelda receipt, because I guess each receipt had a different IP on it. So this is Nintendo, obviously, with the mystery box and the egg and the squid. I forgot what this squid's called. The super star. Oh, it's been so long since I played. Here's the flower. Oh, here's a coin. Here's Ghost, but in Japan it's Bertha, I think. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. And then here's a brick box. What else is on here? Okay. Oh wait, what's this? Oh, this is where you step on it and then it propels you up. That's it. I forgot about this. Is something when you checked in at a kiosk downstairs, they gave you a sticker, and so for every visit you can collect a different IP. This is Inkling Splatoon, and so I'm excited to go back. You don't get anything. I mean, you do, the gift is the stickers, and so it's just a little collectible thing they said that you get. The bag says My Nintendo. Oh, and then I think that's Mario's hat. But yeah, that's it. That's the last thing I wanted to show you. That's the end of the haul. Thanks for watching. Bye. The line is so long. They close at 8 tonight.